Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete contacts in Gmail. It's really simple and easy. So first of all, on the right hand side, you can see this little people icon. Click on that. And then what I would recommend, even if you see some contacts here, is to open in a new tab, which will actually just take you to contacts.google.com, which will open up your contacts for your Gmail account. Here you will see tons of people. You can actually just highlight or check mark one of the contacts, and from there on the right hand side there is three dots that give you more actions like deleting a contact. So just simply click on this delete and then click on this move to trash. Now it will be permanently deleted after 30 days. On the left hand side there is this trash icon here. So you can click into there and you can actually highlight this again or just empty the trash right now to completely delete or permanently delete the contact. They might still show up for different things. So I would recommend doing this after you delete that contact. That way you won't see them maybe pop up in your emails and things like that. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to delete contacts in Gmail. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.